All right, so we are now talking about another real world problem where we are going to be subtracting linear expressions. And so in this example, we have a table that shows a bakery sales of sugar cookies and chocolate chip cookies that are sold in H number of hours. After 15 hours, how much more did the bakery earn in sales of chocolate chip cookies than in sales of sugar cookies? So this again is a subtraction problem. The cookies that they sold the most of is going to be the chocolate chip, and we're trying to find the difference. So we're going to write that down. So 10H plus 6. And then we're going to subtract out the sugar cookie so that we can find the difference. So we've got minus 6H minus 5. Okay. And so I'll put it in the parentheses so that we know that we're subtracting 6H's and negative 5. So what we first need to do is get rid of the parentheses. So if we have negative, I'll put it over here. Negative and a positive, we know that that's going to become a negative. So that's 6H, negative 6H. And then you have a negative and a negative, that becomes a positive 5. Okay, so we're rewriting the parentheses and just removing the parentheses by distributing the negative sign to each of the terms within the parentheses. Okay. So what that would look like now that we've done that is going to be 10H plus 6. We're going to subtract out the 6H and we're going to add the 5. Okay. And so what do we get? Well, remember you're going in the positive direction, negative direction. So you're going to use subtraction, which is going to be 4H's. Our larger number is a positive, so we're going to keep that as a positive. And then here we're going to add because both are going in the positive direction. And so that's going to be plus 11. So what we have is 4H plus 11. Now, what we need to figure out is they asked us about after 15 hours. Okay. How many more, how much more did the bakery earn in sales? Well, we know that we can now replace the H with a 15. Okay. So that's the same thing as saying 4 times 15 plus 11. Okay. So, and if we bring that down, 4 times 15 gives me 60 plus 11, that gives me 71. Okay. So we sold 71 cookies. Um, the difference is 71 cookies, but they're asking us how much did we make, in other words. Well, we know that the cookies are $1.15. So we're going to take that 71 times $1.15. When you do that, you come out with 71 times $1.15. We come out with $81.65. So they made $81.65 more selling chocolate chip cookies than they did in the sugar cookies after 15 hours.